Okay, so this hotel does have a little bit of parking up front, but most of the parking is here in the parking garage. It's fairly large. I mean, it goes way back over there. And it comes in here on the first floor. The lobby is the second floor, but this is where the game room is and the fitness center and the pool. So let's check out some of those. Over here is the game room. And they have some cool stuff in here. All right, yeah, so foosball, they've got, over here they've got like, they may have changed them out for Xbox Ones. I'm not sure. Yeah, Xbox S's, not ones. There's a thing over here with like board games and stuff. And this is cool and newer. So yeah, that's pretty cool. All of this is free to play and use at any time. So if there's people in here, I know you can sign up for ×2 when it gets busy. So that is the game room. Fitness center is over here next to the game room. And it is, oh, it's long and skinny. Oh, they've got apples and oranges in here, towels, earphones if you've forgotten yours. And then down here, some treadmills. Nice view of the pool there. And you've got some bikes and some, oh, I forget what these are called right now. Somebody tell me in the comments because my brain is not working. Okay, lots of free weights over here, space for yoga stuff. So yeah, that is the fitness center. Okay guys, this is room 109 at the Sheraton Park City. In Park City, Utah. Okay. Oh, let's check the bathroom out first since it's right here. There's a sink out here. Gilchrist and Soames hand wash and lotion. In here, there's another sink. Pretty regular toilet. And then a bathtub shower combo with, again, the Gilchrist and Soames and North 39 here for body wash and conditioner and shampoo. Does have a shower head that comes off and a regular shower head. Okay. Here's the little closet in here. That with the luggage rack, full length mirror. Do have carpet on the floor in here. They started out good with the tile and wood, but anyway, this is kind of cool rustic wall with the cool mountain pictures because this is a ski resort hotel. We have a double queen bed, nightstand in the middle, and they do have one of these for extra plugs, which is not bad. And then of course on the clock there, here is a dresser. I'm hoping this is a fridge. Aha, safe in a fridge. There we go. It has a teeny little freezer that may or may not work. Most of the time those ones don't work super well. Over here is a good desk area and a little coffee bar here. And this is my favorite part. It opens onto the pool area. Oops, I locked myself in. And this is the cool part, okay guys? Hot tub pool, this is indoors. So it's snowing outside right now. You can see the snow and the skylights, but it's the perfect temperature in here. Over this way is the pool. And it's not huge, just kind of bean shaped. So, but we've had a lot of fun in this pool. So it's a good one. Goes to 5 feet, 3 feet, 5 feet, 4 feet. And then the hot tub area over here. It's quite a large hot tub. So there's that. And then over here, there's the fitness center windows that we saw there. But this over here is a steam room. Let's see if it's working today. Oh yeah, steam room. There it is. There's no steam in here right now. Not really. It's not on. Yep. And then there are bathrooms over here. Public bathrooms. So that is the whole pool area. But it's indoors and wonderful in the winter. Okay guys, we started downstairs this time because we went from the parking garage. So now we're gonna go upstairs to the lobby. And the lobby is amazing up here. It's very rustic. There's a second floor up there, places to sit and play games and stuff. There's the front desk there. Nice roaring fire. If you are coming here to ski, this is actually a really good deal in a hotel. It's about a 5-minute bus ride to the ski resorts from here. The bus is included with your hotel stay. They call it under the destination fee. And here, there are lots of other things that are also included in the destination fee. Here's the list of those. Like I was saying, so the bus ride to get over to the ski resorts is about 5 minutes, and it is a lot cheaper than the hotels that are right on the mountain. This is my favorite destination fee ad. It's a ski up restaurant, basically between 4 and 6 o'clock. You can come and get soup and hors d'oeuvres and free hot drinks, and it's super fun. So yeah, that is the lobby. We are going to go check out the lounge, which is through this door, past the Timbers Bar. Straight ahead over here is a restaurant. I think it's called Timbers as well, actually. And then here is the Sheraton Club. This is the lounge for this hotel. Oh, it is nice in here. Okay. So we've got hot plates, treats, lots of stuff, granola bars. And here is the soda fridge and water. This is a coffee and hot chocolate machine. Back there is a little office area. We've got lots of seating, lots of cool, comfy places to hang out. And in here is more of like a conference room type thing, but yeah, so just some more seating, a big table, and that is a nice, comfy area. It is snowing outside. Let's go check out the lobby, second floor. See what's up there. And here is the second floor of the lobby. There's also rooms up here, obviously. Meeting rooms, the business center's up here. There's the view down. Anyway, yeah, so up here is like business center. There's places here to like phone calls or work on stuff. There's like printer and computer over there, and then this cute little sitting area with a TV. Huh. Interesting. Okay.